In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass add credentials to an employee. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then choose Credentials. Go to your new top menu bar and select Deployments. From the drop-down menu, choose Employees. You should arrive at a blank chart that looks like this. Before you can add any credentials, you need to select the employee you want to add them to. So click on the arrow next to Employee Credentials and choose your employee. I'm going to scroll down and I will choose Tiger. Right now, Tiger is a new employee, so he doesn't have any credentials. That's why I want to mass add a bunch to him. I'll click on Mass Add. And now I can choose the credentials I want to assign to this employee. If I want to assign them all, I can click on the first credential, hold the Shift key, scroll all the way down, and choose the last credential. That will highlight all of them. Next, I need to select the status. If I click the arrow next to status, I can choose between pending and complete. Since this is a new employee, none of these have been completed, so I'm going to leave it on pending. Then choose a due date. I'll click this calendar icon, and maybe I'll give him 2 weeks. If any of these had been completed, you would want to add a completed date. You could also add effective dates and any notes. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add these credentials to your employee, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Add. And now those credentials have been added. Let's say that Tiger has already finished one of these credentials. I can click on that credential, and now I can make any changes I need to. I will change the status by clicking the arrow next to status, and I'm going to choose Complete. Then select the completed date. I'll click the calendar icon and choose Today. Next, I could add a start and end date. I could add an external ID, an authority score, an authority coverage, an authority item ID, a physical item ID, and any notes. If you changed your mind and you don't want to change this credential, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that credential has been edited. Notice it now says complete and there is a completion date. That's how you can mass add credentials to an employee and change those credentials. Check out the next video to learn how to view and edit credentials at a station.